thought of leaving, I want a kid. I want the what, I want the all, I want to live. She got a grievance, she want the kid. She want the kid, she want the car, she want the crib. I gotta admit it might be about that.
Hi guys, it's your girl Alana Ajeane and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm giving y'all a full-blown makeup tutorial. I know last one was hair, but I do want to let y'all know, like, I've never had a chance to like actually sit down with y'all and like tell y'all like what this channel is supposed to be about, like what is it going to consist of. So this channel is going to consist of hair, natural hair, weave. I do wigs, so I'll probably do a wig or two on here if I'm feeling like it. If you guys want to see it, let me know. You know, you got my Twitter, you got my Snapchat, all that good stuff. So if you want to see different types of videos, just let me know. But majority of my videos are going to be makeup, wigs, natural hair, and I may do a vlog, but I feel like vlogging I really can't do, because if I'm having too much fun, like I really can't just have my camera out, like, because I'll be worried about my camera getting broke or like, so I probably won't vlog. But if it's very interesting and I have time and I have my hands free, then I may do a video, a vlog for you guys. But just let me know what you guys want to see. Like, I know you can get bored looking at makeup tutorials all the time, so I am trying to switch it up a little bit for y'all. But I really did want to talk to y'all, you know, one-on-one, so y'all can get a little hint of me and see how, you know, see what I'm about, whatever. But yeah, so pretty much this video is going to be on this look here that I did. It's supposed to be a spring look. I actually love it. It came out better than what I thought it was going to come out to be. But if you guys like this look, then pretty much just go ahead and watch this video and you'll see how I got it. If you like my videos, if you want to see more, just go ahead and like it as well, and don't forget to subscribe. Alright guys, so we're going in with our Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade, and I'm just going to go in and fill those eyebrows in. Alright, so now I'm going in with this concealer palette, and I'm using that lighter shade for the bottom and that darker shade for the top of my eyebrow. Next, I'm going in with this concealer here by Face Studio. I'm just using this as a base for my eyeshadow. It is light, but I like it that way because it makes the eyeshadow more pigmented and you can see it better. Alright, so now we're getting that Juvia's palette, and I'm using the color Ada, and I'm going to use that as my transition shade. Next, from the same palette, I'm getting that color Zobo, and I'm going to blend that into the shade that I just used, which is Ada. We're just going to blend that together. And I know you guys are going to see this Juvia's palette a lot, but this is my go-to palette, so don't judge me. Now I'm going to be taking that purple color out of the Milani palette, and I'm also going to be using the palette there that I got from BH Cosmetics. I'm going to mix those two purples together to kind of deepen it up on the corner of my eye and just blend that in. Now with that same concealer that I use as a base, I'm just going to put that there. It's not really a cut crease. I'm just putting that there so that way you can lighten it up, and the next colors that I use, you're able to see it. This Take Me Back to Brazil palette, I'm going to use that color there, the bluish greenish color there. I'm going to put that in the inner corner of my eye, and then I'm going to use the color Molly from the Juvia's palette to kind of bring that color out a little bit more. Alright, so with this palette from BH Cosmetics called Midnight Affair, I'm going to use those two purple colors that I just showed you. I'm going to use those two, and I'm going to put that on pretty much my eyelid. And it gives you like a little lavender color. And I'm just going to blend that in with all of the other colors. so with the eye that I did off camera, I'm just adding a little bit more color to the inner corner of that eye. Done with the eye, so now we're moving on to the face. I'm going to use the NYX Honeydew Me Up. I'm going to put that on my face, rub it on in, and then I'm using two foundations. I'm using the Iman and Earth 4 and then my NYX Total Control. I'm going to mix those two together, and then I'm just going to blend that in. Now with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn, I'm just going to put that under my eyes, you know, on the bridge of my nose, all the places that you need to conceal. We're just going to put that there, and we're going to blend that out with my small beauty blender. And as well, if your blending is not blending the way that you need it to, always get some type of spray. You can get a setting spray. I use my rose water. You just spray that on there so it can damp it up and just blend that in some more. With my Sacha Buttercup setting powder, I'm going to put that everywhere where I concealed, under my eyes, my forehead, my nose, and my chin. Now with this concealer from Black Opal, I'm going to use that to contour my face. So we're just going to rub that in and blend it out. Now using that color Molly, I'm going to put that on the outer corner and just the inner corner of my eye. And I'm going to leave that space there because that space, that's where I'm going to put the purple from the Midnight Affairs palette from BH Cosmetics. Oh yeah, and you're definitely not tripping. I did do my eyelashes and my eyeliner off camera. With my I Love Extreme mascara, I'm going to put that on my bottom lashes. Now with my brown lip pencil that I got from the beauty supply store, I'm just going to use that to align my lips. Now this is one of my faves. This is from Kat Von D in the color Coven. I'm going to use that lipstick there because it kind of makes my eyes pop a little bit. kind of, you know, color scheme. Now with my Anastasia Glow Kit, I'm going to use the color Sun Ray, the color right underneath that white one. I'm going to put that there for a little highlight. Now you're going to see this palette a lot only because I have like 6 different highlights, and baby, all of them be popping, so you're going to see it a lot. But I'm using Sun Ray today, and we're just going to go in and blend that highlight in. And I put that on the bridge of my nose and right there, Cupid's bow, and my forehead. Oh yeah, and I do like to put that under my brow as well. It just does something for me. Now I'm going to be using this blush from City Color, that color that I'm showing you. I'm going to put that on my cheeks. And voila, there you have it. This is our finished look. I love it. It's giving me mermaid vibes. It's giving me spring vibes. Like, it's giving me everything. If you guys like this video, go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe to your girl channel. And I will see y'all next time.
If I wanted to, I come back and we just go around, babe. Bang, bang, boomerang.